Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter, and the name of next chapter is Playing with Numbers. So in this chapter, the first topic is number in generalized form. So what is generalized form? A number is said to be in generalized form if it is expressed as the sum of the products of its digits with their respective place values. For example, example 1, 43. So 43 is equal to 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Because 4 is on 10 place, so we will multiply 4 by 10. So it will become 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Similarly, in second example, we have 487. So 4 on the 100 place, so we will multiply 4 by 100. 8 on tens place, so we will multiply 8 into 10, and 7 on the unit place, so we will multiply 7 with 1. So it will be 4 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Now third example. Third example is 6789. 6 is on 1000 place, 7 on 100 place, 8 on 10 place, and 9 on unit place. So it will be 6 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Fourth example, 6840. In this example, the place value of 6 is 1000, place value of 8 is 100, and the place value of 4 is 10. So it will become 6 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 4 into 10. Next is two-digit numbers. To understand this, consider a two-digit number having the digit A at its tens place and the digit B at its unit place. This number is 10A plus B, where A can be any whole number from 1 to 9 and B can be any whole number from 0 to 9. Few examples. Example 1, 36. 36 is a two-digit number because here is only two digit 1 and 2. So 36 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 6. Second example, 90. Again it is a two-digit number, so 90 is equal to 10 into 9 plus 0. And third example is 99 is equal to 10 into 9 plus 9 is equal to 99. Now next is three-digit numbers. To understand three-digit number, consider a three-digit number having A, B, C as its hundreds digit, tens digit, and units digit respectively. This number is 100A plus 10B plus C, where A can be any whole number from 1 to 9. B can be any whole number from 0 to 9. And C can be any whole number from 0 to 9. To understand this, we will take few examples. So first example is 137. So 137 is a three-digit number because here are three digits 1, 2 and 3. So 137 is equal to 100 into 1 plus 10 into 3 plus 7. Next example, 465. So 4 on 100 place, so we will multiply 4 with 100. 6 on tens place, so we will multiply 6 with 10, and 5 on unit place, we will multiply 5 with 1. So it will be 100 into 4 plus 10 into 6 plus 5. Third example, 900. So 9 on 100 place, so we will multiply 9 with 100. So 100 into 9, and tens place is 0, so we will multiply 10 with 0, and the unit place is 0, so we will multiply unit place with 1. So it will be 100 into 9 plus 10 into 0 plus 0. Now we will take an example to understand what we have learnt. So example, the sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 8. The number obtained by interchanging its digit is 18 more than the original number. Find the original number. Solution: let the tens and unit digit of the required number be A and B respectively. Then, according to question, A plus B is equal to 8. It is our first equation. Therefore, original number is equal to 10A plus B. In next step, according to question, number obtained by interchanging its digit is equal to 10B plus A. Therefore, according to the question, 10B plus A minus 10A plus B is equal to 18. In next step, 10B plus A plus minus 10A minus plus is minus. So minus B is equal to 18. So in next step, 10B minus B is equal to 9B plus A minus 10A is equal to minus 9A. Therefore 9B minus 9A is equal to 18. In next step, we will take 9 as a common. So 9B minus A is equal to 18. So in next step, B minus A is equal to 18 by 2, and 18 by 9. 18 by 9 is equal to 2. Therefore B minus A is equal to 2. This is our second equation. Now we will add equation 1 and equation 2. By adding equation 1 and 2, we get 2B is equal to 10. Therefore B is equal to 5. Now put B equal to 5 in equation 1. We get A plus 5 is equal to 8. In next step, A is equal to 8 minus 5, and 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Therefore original number is equal to 10A plus B is equal to, our A is 3, so 10 into 3 plus, and our B is 5. So 10 into 3 plus 5. 10 into 3 is 30 plus and 5. So 30 plus 5 is 35. Therefore the original number is 35.